Hi, I'm Tom from Wheeler's Outdoor LLC. Today I'm here introducing Wheeler's 13-piece cooking utensil kit. This kit has everything you need to cook while outdoors. This set includes tongs with the lock feature, a stainless steel spatula, a soup ladle, a steak fork, grater, bottle or can opener, cooking shears, plastic cutting board, a sharp stainless steel knife, 2 spice shakers, a sponge, and camping towel to clean after use. The utensils are durable, dishwasher safe, made with high quality stainless steel. The carry bag features mesh pockets, a carry handle, and a high quality zippered seal. The individual compartments inside ensure there's a place in the bag for each utensil, as well as additional space for other stuff. The bags come in multiple colors. They are the perfect size and lightweight with a carry handle for easy portability. It won't take up too much space in your bag or add too much weight. Cook like a pro with Wheeler's Utensil Kit.